So we've just got back from a fabulous day at the Lakeside Hotel in Newbury, Cumbria. We're really lucky that the Lake District Hotel Association is one of our supporting partners on our employer boards. Ben Mayo from the Lakeside Hotel, the General Manager, put together a fabulous day for our students so they could learn more about the different careers that are available within tourism and hospitality. The Lake District's on our doorstep as well, so it's a real job opportunity for many of our current students and our future students. We work with a number of employers so that we can provide students with real-life case studies, but then we also provide valuable work experience opportunities for our students so that they can get the knowledge from the learning in college and combine that with the skills that they learn in industry, makes it when they've completed their course that they really are employable and ready for industry.